guys, it's Mr. McDowell. In today's lesson, I thought we would go outside. It's getting close to summertime, so I know you guys are itching to get out and ride your bikes and go swimming and all that kind of stuff. So I thought for our project today, we would do some sidewalk chalk so we could learn complementary colors. Now, if you look at this color wheel right here, you'll notice that all the colors are in a circle, right? Complementary colors are colors that look good with each other because they are on opposite sides of the color wheel. For example, violet and yellow. Those two colors go really nicely together. Red and green. You see lots of red and green in December time. Blue and orange, okay? And there's all sorts of combinations that you can get, but those are the ones we're going to use today. So we're going to draw an art project on the sidewalk using sidewalk chalk and utilizing complementary colors. So let's get to work. Okay, before we start making some art projects on the old sidewalk, we're going to create a color wheel so you guys can reference that when you're making your flowers and fish or whatever you want to draw. You don't have to draw exactly what I draw, but whatever you're going to draw on there, I want you to try to use complementary colors. So let's take a white piece of chalk. Let's make a big old circle, okay? Then what I want you to do is divide it just like a pizza pie into 6 slices. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, in the top one, it's going to be yellow. Take your yellow, color it in. Okay? Across from that, the complementary to yellow is going to be purple. Well, let's put that right there. Color that in. Okay? Then, next to yellow, you have got orange. Color that in. And across from orange, the complementary is, of course, blue. So we're going to color that in. Down here, you've got red. Okay? Put that in there. And the complementary of red is, okay, the final color is going to be green that is across from red. We're going to throw that in there. Whoop. Color it in. And there you have it, okay? So, starting from the top, yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, and green. Complementary colors, of course, are yellow and purple, orange and blue, red and green. So if you're making your flowers or you're drawing an alien or a fish or whatever you want to make sure you're using the opposite of the colors on the color wheel. Okay, if you're drawing a yellow flower, maybe it's got purple in it. If you're drawing the blue ocean, maybe it's got an orange fish in it. Okay, if you're drawing a red rose, maybe it's got a green stem. All right, let's get to work. We'll start drawing. See you there. Okay. So we got our complementary colors, but we're also going to add white and black. We can throw those in with any combination of colors and that'll work out really nicely. So for the first drawing, let's use complementary colors, purple and yellow. All right, maybe we can make a flower, okay? Let's do a couple different flowers with complementary colors. So we're going to start off with the outline. We're going to put petals, each one, all the way around the center circle. Get that "and" out of there. Okay, so we got that. Then we're going to color in the petals. With the yellow. And maybe we'll just do the inside of the flower with the purple that I have. Or you could choose a different purple too. Let's grab a different purple. This is a really bright, beautiful purple. We'll put that right in the center. Okay? Now, if you want to go in, you don't have to make everything in your picture with the complementary colors, okay? But you can see that purple and yellow look really nice. Now you can go back to making a stem with your green and maybe a couple of leaves on each side of the stem, and you can color those in. All right? So there's a nice flower using purple and yellow, complementary colors on the color wheel. Let's choose something different, okay? Maybe we do a different flower using the complementary colors red and green. Okay, this time we're gonna do a rose. All right, so the way I like to make roses, you make the letter U and you put a top on it. Then from here, you're gonna make a little petal over here, like that, okay? You're gonna make do the same exact thing on this side. Make a petal, okay? Then on the top, you're gonna kind of make a little spiral like that, okay? And you can kind of connect the edges. All right, it doesn't have to be perfect. Lightly color that in with your red. Okay, then take your green, which you know is the complementary opposite of red on the color wheel, and you're gonna make your stem. And you're gonna put a couple of leaves on there. And look at how nice that looks, because these two colors go together. All right, the final thing we're gonna draw. Let's do blue and orange. Complementary colors on the color wheel. All right. Perhaps we use the black and white as well, and we're gonna make a fish. Let's make a goldfish. I'm gonna start with the eye. So I'm gonna use the black and I'm gonna make a circle for the eye and a little black iris. And then I'm gonna color that in with the white chalk. So you got your iris, the outline of your eye, and then you color it in. With the orange, I'm gonna make the lips and the body. And I'm just gonna kind of make little things that trail off for the tail, okay? Now, with a fish, it's gonna have a gill plate, and it's gonna have little scales everywhere. And it's also going to have a fin down here and a fin that comes off of the top. Okay, and then inside, I'm going to color it with this blue. Maybe I'll make it a striped fish, right? Maybe there's blue, and then there's orange. And then there's blue. We'll get rid of those scales, I guess, with the sidewalk chalk. And then there's blue. But you can see how nice these two colors work with each other, okay? And you can even take that same blue and make some bubbles if you want coming off, okay? So there you go. You got your rose, you got your purple flower, you got your blue and orange striped goldfish. Hope you had fun drawing with sidewalk chalk today and learning about complementary colors. We will see you next time, and enjoy your summer.